In an age where the typical car collector swaps classic metal faster than Mr. Rogers changed sweaters, it's hard to imagine finding a fully documented low-mileage survivor that's so authentic it still rolls on original NOS tires. But this exclusive '69 Chevy, sporting heavy servicing as its sole alteration, is just that. Yes, indeed. As a reference-grade example of one of the best cars ever created, the legendary Corvette. This classic has earned the NCRS Duntov Mark of Excellence, the NCRS Performance Verification Award, the NCRS 4-Star Bowtie Award, and Bloomington Gold Benchmark Honors. If you're looking for an exceptional collector car, this is your chance to claim the crown. Coveted and cherished, this national award-winning Chevy is a reference-grade, space-age superstar that's ready to be shown and celebrated. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.